Welcome! This video series provides the information needed to maximize the use of the Orpyx SI Sensory Insoles. In this video, we will explain how to interpret the data you will see in the Orpyx dashboard. The Adherence screen will let you assess hours of daily use for the previous month and compare it to the current month usage. It will also provide a trend line showing the daily breakdown of usage for the current month. The sensory insoles should be worn as much as possible, but at a minimum, 4.5 hours a day. If there is a zero data reading for a specific day, that means the user did not wear their insoles that day. A flag will appear if the patient has been non-adherent for 3 days in a row. Communication should be had with the patient as appropriate, and then the flag can be cleared. To clear the flag, check the box next to the alert. Use the Action drop-down to select the action taken, and add additional notes, then hit Submit. If you notice a decrease in wear time or encounter an alert, talk to your patient about the importance of adherence so they can get the maximum benefit from their insoles and remote patient monitoring service. Pressure data shows how much time the patient spent in the acceptable pressure state in the previous and current month. The line chart on the right trends the number of high-pressure alerts the patient received each day. The chart on the left shows the percentage of alerts that are coming from each region of the plantar surface of the foot. This helps identify where high-pressure areas are occurring, so you can have more meaningful conversations with the patient. A flag will appear if the patient spent less than 60% of the time in an acceptable pressure state. Just like with adherence, to clear it you must check the box, select the action taken, add any notes that are needed, and hit Submit. Discuss alerts with patients and use the breakdown by region to connect their activities with the alerts and develop strategies to mitigate them. Similar to adherence data, the step count charts will show the average steps last month, this month, and a trend line breaking down the steps taken per day. Use this to track patients' activity levels and adjust their weight-bearing activities if needed. Finally, temperature data. The top section is where you can select what data is displayed in the graph below. Each data point on the graph represents the temperature difference based on the selections above. If a single data point is greater than a 2.2 degrees Celsius difference, a temperature flag will be generated so the patient can be contacted if needed. If there is a zero data reading for a specific day, that means the user did not wear their insoles that day. Once you have addressed the temperature concern with the patient, the temperature flag can be cleared using the same steps as for adherence and pressure flags. Check the box, select the action taken, document notes as needed, and hit Submit. The temperature data will clear at the end of each month. If you want to review previous data, use the Date Selector option to adjust to the desired month. For more informational videos on the Orpyx SI Sensory Insole system and software, go to orpyx.zendesk.com and click Video Support.